I am going to explain the laws of logarithm. Laws of logarithm. The first law is log m into n equals to log m plus log n. Base will be anything. If base is a here, the base will be a here also. The base here will be a here as well. log m इंटू एन इक्वल्स टू log m प्लस log n. कोई भी बेस के लिए अगर बेस यहाँ पर a होगा तो यहाँ पे भी बेस a होगा, यहाँ पे भी बेस a होगा, और अगर कोई बेस नहीं है इसका मतलब बेस 10 है. लाइक आई गिव यू एग्जांपल नंबर 1 कि log 30 कैन बी रिटन एज log 2 into 3 into 5, which can be further written like log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5. log 30 को हम लिख सकते हैं log 2 into 3 into 5. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ m into n equals to log m plus log n. So log 2 into 3 into 5 will be written as log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5. Now base can be anything. Suppose we have taken the base 2, so base here will be 2, 2, 2, 2. Or I give you a second example like log 20 plus log 5. This will be written as log 20 into 5, which can be written as log 100. So this is the first law. Log m into n equals to log m plus log n. Now the second law of logarithm is the law of division. Log m upon n can be written as log m minus log n. Here base can be anything. If here the base is a, same base यहाँ पे भी होगा. log m upon n equals to log m minus log n. Like I give you example, log 10 upon 5 can be written as log 10 minus log 5. Base can be anything. Suppose we have taken the base 10 here, तो यहाँ भी 10 लेना होगा, यहाँ भी 10 लेना होगा. और अगर इसका रेसिप्रोकल करें log 100 minus log 10, this will be written as log 100 upon 10, which is log 10. है ना? The base can be anything. Third law is log m to the power n for any base will be n into log m. Like suppose log 2 to the power 5 can be written as 5 into log 2. Yeah, half into log 25 will be written as log 25 to the power half. है ना? अगर इसको हम उल्टा ऑर्डर में अगर इस लॉ को हम देखते हैं n इंटू लॉग एम कैन बी रिटन एज log m to the power n. So half into log 25 can be written as log 25 to the power half, which will be log 25 to the power half will be 5. Okay. Now the fourth law is log m for the base n can be written as log m upon log n for any base. यहाँ अगर बेस ए लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे भी बेस ए लेना होगा. ओके. लाइक log 5 upon log 2, this can be written as log 5 for the base 2, or log 100 for the base 10 will be written as log 100 upon log 10 for any base. You can take any base 2. अगर यहाँ 2 लेंगे तो यहाँ भी 2 लेना होगा, यहाँ 3 लेंगे तो यहाँ भी 3 लेना होगा. Okay, now log of a for the base a will be 1. Since a का power 1 is what a, which will be log 10 for the base 10 is 1, log 2 for the base 2 is 1. If log m equals to log n and the base are equal, then we can write m equals to n. If log m equals to log n, then m will be n if they have the same base. If there is no base, given, then we consider the base to be 10. ओके, जैसे अगर दिया हुआ log 6, तो सिर्फ log 6 दिया हुआ, बेस नहीं दिया हुआ, तो इसका मतलब है कि बेस 10 है. अगर कुछ बेस नहीं दिया हुआ, इसका मतलब बेस 10 है, यहाँ पे छिपा हुआ है 10, यहाँ पे छिपा हुआ है 10. नंबर 8, log 10 will be 1 क्योंकि बेस यहाँ पे 10 है. log 100 will be 2. Similarly, log 1000 will be 3. Log 0.1 will be -1. Log 0.01 will be -2. Log 0.001 will be -3. Log 0.004 will be -4. Similarly, log 10,000 will be 4, है ना. यहाँ पे सबका बेस 10 है, इसलिए log 10 equals to 1, log 100 equals to 2, log 1000 equals to 3, log 10,000 will be 4, log 1 lakh will be 5, log 10 lakh will be 6. Similarly, log 0.1 will be -1 क्योंकि 10 पे -1 डालेंगे तब 0.1 आएगा, 10 पे -2 डालेंगे तब 0.02 आएगा, 10 पे -3 डालेंगे तब 0.001 आएगा. So these are the laws of logarithm. Again, the first law is log m into n equals to log m plus log n. The second law is log m upon n equals to log m minus log n. The third law is log m to the power n equals to n into log m. The fourth law is log m for the base n can be written as log m upon log n for any base. The fifth law is log of a for the base a equals to 1. The sixth law is if log m equals to log n, then m equals to n. Seventh law is just to keep in mind, सिर्फ है ना ध्यान में रखना है कि अगर कोई बेस नहीं दिया हुआ है तो हम बेस 10 पकड़ लेते हैं. The eighth law is not a law. This is obvious कि log 10 का वैल्यू 1 होगा, log 100 का वैल्यू 2 होगा, क्योंकि सब में बेस जो है 10 है. तो 10 पे पावर 1 is 10, 10 to the power 2 is 100, 10 to the power 3 is 1000. Similarly, 10 to the power -1 is 0.1, so log 0.1 equals to -1. So these are the concept and laws of logarithm. Okay, bye.